Listen, pre-orders for the new Mega Evolution set Phantasmal Flames is coming in the next week or two. These pre-orders will be dropping on Pokémon Center and you won't want to miss it. See, typically, Pokémon Center pre-orders come between 60 or 70 days before the set is set to release. We saw this with Prismatic Evolution, Destined Rivals, and the new Mega Evolution set coming out. The Pokemon Center pre-orders come with the Pokemon Center ETBs and you do not want to miss those. I'm going to show you guys my secret on how I got White Flare Pokemon Center, Destined Rivals Pokemon Center, obviously Prismatic Pokemon Center, and of course the new Mega Evolution Pokemon Center ETBs. Okay, enough flexing on y'all, I'm going to show you how I did it. The biggest thing that changed is that I joined a Pokemon Restock Discord. See, this way I didn't have to guess when Pokemon Centers drop in, or have to rely on late Twitter notifications that would always ping me 3 to 5 minutes after the queue already went live. See, in this Discord, they have a monitor that tells you when the queue is about to go live. Not when it goes live, when it's about to. So I can run upstairs or run home, get on my computer and be able to get onto the website before the queue even goes live. That way I'm one of the first to get in and always get the product.
You finally find the Pokemon product you've been waiting for. You check the store, sold out. You check again later, still sold out. Then you find out there actually was a restock. You just found out too late. And if you're constantly checking different stores trying to catch Pokemon drops, you already know how frustrating that can be. If you're interested, I'll leave the link down in the description. That's exactly where PokeFreeze Notify caught my attention. Instead of manually checking stores over and over, PokeFreeze is built to help you find Pokemon restocks, drops, and other opportunities faster. Starting with their website, the first thing that stands out is their real-time monitor alerts. When stock changes or a product becomes available, the goal is to get that information to you quickly instead of finding out after everyone else. They also have an in-store stock checker, which can be useful when you're looking for products locally. So before driving to a store and hoping they have something, you can check the available inventory first. And then there's early drop information, including upcoming releases and pre-orders, giving you another way to stay ahead instead of constantly playing catch-up. But the website is only part of it. Inside their Discord, you can see how all of this information actually comes together. There are channels for weekly drop lists, Pokemon news, announcements, and member alerts. You can also see actual product opportunities being shared with members, along with information and links, so you're not constantly jumping between different websites trying to find everything yourself. And this is where the community becomes important. Looking through the reviews on WOP, you'll find members talking about how helpful the community is, especially people who were completely new to Pokemon collecting. Some mention learning faster, while others say the community helped make the whole hobby less frustrating. And honestly, that's what stood out to me after looking through everything. Because at the end of the day, the biggest problem isn't finding Pokemon products you want, it's finding them before everyone else does. That's what PokeFreeze is trying to help with, giving you faster access to restock information, drop updates, local inventory information, and a community that can help you stay on top of what's happening. And if you want to test it for yourself, there's currently a 3-day free trial with membership starting at $7.99 per month. So, if you're tired of discovering Pokemon restocks after they're already gone, check out PokeFreeze Notify through the link in the description.